Aye, senijawulo nothando. Aye, nephilile daliwa. Sayona, sayona, sasinentenhle sayona.
Yo, back with another reaction video. First of all, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's supporting reaction channels. So we about to react on Big Zulu no Sjava's new album called Ukamba. We'll only do 3 songs that they did live on Ukaya FM. And you know, Guti for Inkabi, you have to be coked up for this one. Let's cover this one. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, I have to start this one back. This is a banger, man. Big Zulu. I see when it comes to love concepts, Sjava was featuring me again. When it comes to love concepts,
number 1 in school man now is the album then.
Aziz insimbi zokheni chiba sepekville. Get him, Zulu.
Phumile number 1 in school man now is the album then. Aziz zokheni chiba sepekville. Siyatholakala kuwo wonke ama-digital platform. Si-live manje la ekhaya FM. Shubo ibambe
Vale voshi vale.
Bambe.
Samba phezulu, samba phansi. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is a dope one, man. It's a dope one. Samba phezulu, samba phansi. Entombi khuluma nami kanjani ngemanxeba kinje. I love it, man. See, as I was saying with Sjava with love songs, namyeka bafethu khotba Sjava. It's a beautiful song, like ingoma emnandi. Ushuni lo wangempela. Kenichi waseBackville. Let's check this second video, man.
Buza nje uthi ulala kanjani awuthi ngani indoda yakhe ngithi wena wathi ufuna ibreak. Hey sisese breakini ke mina na.
Soul. Hey soul. Hey soul.
Ngithanda lo.
Timbalang, 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 mama, oh. Sayona, sayona, sasinentenhle, sayona, 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 sasinentenhle, sayona. Amaphuthethu siyawabona. Sawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile amaphutha ethu sawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile ngikuthanda ngifela ngangenza konkuphila ayi ngikwenze Taunelanga ngoba wangijiyela ayi kodwa sasizi nawe akusizi ngomunye umhlaba manje impilo zethu shintshile ayi iseninjabulo nothando ayi nempilo endledaliwa
I don't wanna speak lies for Big Zulu. I've always said ukuthi Big Zulu has the same flow, like style sakhe sokurapper shinji. And I've always maintained that when I was caught up in a Big Zulu conversation, ukuthi but Big Zulu style sakhe sokurapper shinji, it's the same. But I think la man he nailed it. Ala mfethu ungenile uZulu. Ungenile for sure, man. And Zulu.
Amaphutha ethu siyawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile ngikuthanda ngifela ngangenza konkuphila ayi ngikwenze konke ngikunike konke kodwa unelanga ngoba wangijiyela ayi kodwa sasizi nawe akusizi ngomunye umhlaba manje impilo zethu shintshile ayi iseninjabulo nothando ayi nempilo endledaliwa sayona sasinentenhle sayona sasinentenhle sayona amaphutha ethu siyawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile amaphutha ethu siyawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile ngingedwa ukuthi wawubona yini ubaluleka kwami empilweni yakho sokunye futhi njalo ngibuza kona ukuthi wawubona yini kusasa nami empilweni yakho kodwa kusasi
man. Makhot man angenzani. Makhot man angenzani. Man.
Sawabona kodwa sasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile angingedwa ngifikelwa imibuzo ukuthi wawubona yini ubaluleka kwami empilweni yakho sokunye futhi njalo ngibuza kona ukuthi wawubona yini kusasa nami empilweni yakho kodwa kusasizi ngoba ngeke sibuye emuva ngalezo mphendula sasizi ngoba ngeke sibuyelane sayona sasinentenhle sayona amaphutha ethu sawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile amaphutha ethu sawabona kodwa kusasizi ngoba impilo zethu shintshile.
Lindo, made to melt you by the Lint Master Chocolatier.
Yabona mawudlule intweni with someone that umthandayo and man, this song hits home, man. This song sasinento enhle sayiwona thina kodwa manje akusasizi because angeke sikwazi ukubuyela emuva impilo zethu sezishintshile. Makhotman. I call them Makhotman because of spiritually, man. These guys are not on our level, Bafetu. That's facts. Spiritually, these guys are Bafetu. And to think ukuthi this album, the entire album was done in a week, then it should tell you how spiritually gifted these people are, the connection. Man, but let's keep it moving, man. Let's check another song. Currently the biggest song in South Africa right now. I'm recording this on the 14th of May. And you should know, on the 14th of May, I was recording this when this was the biggest song in South Africa. And by all means, man, this is a beautiful song. And I think this is the last performance, which is Imbambai.
Sengizokuthenga umbambayi wena udubula indaba khona uzombona njalo sengizokuthenga umbambayi wena udubula indaba zangakini khona uzombona njalo uzombona njalo uzombona njalo uzombona njalo uzombona tembala njalo uzombona njalo phelo waba muphethi ngadlala Indonga yaziphethe inyakanya Indoni yamanzi lesisiphalaphala Noba benzonda bembeka amabala Umenga ngithanda iboy indaba kawa Uzoyaza mintombi ekhala Ave ngikhuluma njalo Njalo Oh njalo Sengizokuthengela umbhayimbayi wendaba
If you know Imbamba Yini, please comment on the comment section, man. I have no idea what Imbamba Yini, but I think Uti Imbamba is in my mind. I'm thinking of Imbamba. It's more like a vehicle. Ngizokuthengela Imbamba idubula intaba zangakini uzongibona njalo. So ngizokuthengela a car so that you can travel across the mountains, so that you can come see me on a daily basis. I'm not sure, but if you know what Imbamba is, please assist by commenting on the comment section, man.
Ngabla sheshe ngizolobola ngehle awuphethe le ntombi emhlokushini isibuka nyama nandishini ngayibuka namanje siyini phethe umbani bayisuka mana bathi shaya iphelele labafana bathi ngekukiphi ungangijwayezi namashende funa kikiza like yakumama tende otubula tembala otubula wabazana yini otubula tembala otubula wabazana yini sengizokuthengela umbhayimbayi wala
The second verse, man. Ikhuluma ngo PPW. Bafethu, we have to. I'm sorry, but I have to, man. This is one of the biggest songs right now in South Africa. You can understand Uguti Amapiano is taking over, but when we get another good music for over artists that we always appreciate, then we should show our love and respect. And I'm doing this mainly for DHS in South Africa. If you are overseas or you're not a part of South Africa and you have no idea what's happening here, you can just keep it moving. This is our song. And I'm doing reactions so that people can understand what music way too. And we can give them the explanation and the meaning of a music way too. Aye.
Ngabla sheshe ngizolobola ngehle awuphethe le ntombi emhlokushini isibuka nyama nandishini ngayibuka namanje siyini phethe umbani bayisuka mana bathi shaya iphelele labafana bathi ngekukiphi ungangijwayezi namashende funa kikiza like yakumama tende otubula tembala otubula wabazana yini otubula tembala otubula wabazana yini sengizokuthengela umbhayimbayi wala udula indaba zangakini khona uzombona Jalo, uzongona jalo, uzombona tembalo jalo, uzombona jalo.
Ay, KFM, what are you doing? My favorite, this song. Okay, I'm gonna repeat this one for the last time for all the lovers, man. This song is flipping.
Sengizokuthengela umbhayibhayi la udula indaba zangakini khona uzombona njalo 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 uzombona njalo uzombona njalo njalo uzombona njalo 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 uzombona tembala njalo uzombona njalo njalo.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shout out to Sjava, no Big Zulu on that one. These are Bafetu, these are beautiful love songs, man. And all you have to do, Bafetu, is check out the album. The name of the album is Ukamba. Ukamba. Utshwala bobantu abadala ukhamba la uhabuliswa khona. So they basically giving you umhabulo of what bafethu. So asabili sohabulani ekhambeni bafethu. Ukhamba, if you wanna be part of the movement, all you have to do is click on that sub button. That's all that you have to do. If not, you can just view the video and then move on to the next one. That's all okay. But let's check out the entire album. Title of the album, Ukamba. Inkabi Zezwe is Big Zulu no Sjava. It's been good reacting to this one, man. And I love you all and thank you for the support. We out.